to hide your following list on your Instagram. Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. Many videos on YouTube talk about this, but they are just lying, because actually guys, you can't hide your following list, but you can hide it in a way. What is how you can do this? Just you come to your profile and you have to click on this three line at the corner of the screen and open your settings. So here you will come just to account privacy, and you have to make your account private, so with that no one can see your following list, just your following that you following. And that's it guys, there is no way to hide your follower list, just this way to make your profile private. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.